Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the new Android Gingerbread keyboard. Now I found this keyboard as an APK file and I downloaded it to my phone and it looks really nice. So here we go. Here's the keyboard. It looks very nice. I like the new design and I like the settings button down here and the talk button, the speech to text. It is very easy to use. I like the new design. Other than the settings button, there's not very much difference between this one and the stock keyboard for Android phones that we have now. So in the speech to text, we do have this new feature. It shows up on the bottom now instead of the top, instead of that box, and I really like that feature. I think it's a nice sleek look. Also, the settings button is definitely new. So those are the settings. It says select input method and Gingerbread keyboard settings. I think you know what the input method is. Yes, I do have swipe. I'll be doing another video on swipe. And also it has the keyboard settings. Nothing very new there, new and exciting there. Just looks really nice. And that's about it. It says quick fixes, show suggestions, just the normal stuff on any keyboard. And that is really all I have for the new keyboard. It does look very nice. I can tell you that it looks clean, and the new design is just really nice. I like it. And this has all the autocorrect features of the other keyboard, the stock keyboard. So nothing's really changed. So in the description, go check out our site. The download is probably in our site already. So just go check out droidtalk.webs.com and see you in our next review. Goodbye.